Hi there! Let's see how fast you can assess damage in an image using our powerful Vision AI agent, the Damage Detector. First, head to the Test Studio and select Damage Detector from the drop-down menu. Now upload your image. We'll use a photo of a damaged package, for example, and click Test. And in just seconds, there it is. The Damage Detector instantly analyzed the image and identified the damage level as major. It even provides a detailed summary of the damage area, noting a major crushing and tearing damage observed across the entire cardboard box. You get a clear, objective report in a snap. It really is that fast, simple, and accurate. From recognition to insight, our Damage Detector automates visual inspections and delivers objective, actionable data across every stage of your workflow. Get instant clarity without the complexity.